How to install dynamic rotating widgets on your Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install dynamic rotating widgets on Android. First and foremost, open your Google Play Store. When you open Google Play Store, come and search for this application. It's called Nice Widgets. So after that, install it and then open it. When you open it, as you can see, this is how it looks like. And take note, it has some paid widgets and others are free. So you look for any free widgets like this one here. Okay, when you come there, just come and tap on apply to wallpaper, then tap on save. As you can see, this one is paid for and it's paid for $9, but I'll show you how to get the free ones. So you just go back to the home page and then come to recommended basically, or you can come to widget set here. Now the free ones are these ones here, which are not new. So you just come and tap on this one, which is Desert Road. So just come and tap on apply, then tap on save. When you tap on save, you just tap on add widgets and it will be applied on the home page if you have enough space. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.